Hi, my name is Carrie, and I am one of the facilitators here at Resolutions Northwest. I wanted to share some information about the upcoming workshop that we have, Navigating White Supremacy Culture, BIPOC edition only, that I will be co-facilitating with the lovely Kelly Shaw. How this workshop is different from the other workshops we offer is because everybody needs to do work when it comes to racial justice, but our starting place can be different based on lived experience. We need to do the work, but it looks different because white supremacy and institutional racism directly impacts us. We don't need to watch a movie or read a book to know that these things exist. In this BIPOC-only edition of Navigating White Supremacy, a workshop for leaders, we'll be discussing not only how we experience white supremacy showing up in our work, but how we, as BIPOC, also repeat white supremacy from the places that we lead from. We'll review frameworks, share ways that we've recognized recreation of white supremacy, and what you can do to help strategize on how to get out of this mindset. As always, you can expect this training to be interactive, perhaps challenging for some, lots of curiosity, and lots of humor. We hope to see you for this BIPOC-only workshop.